So I finally decided to film my first ever curly hair tutorial for all of you who have ever had questions about what it is that I like to do to get these luscious curls. The first step, of course, is showing your natural hair some love. Here I started out with freshly co-washed hair. With every wash and go, I keep my handy dandy water bottle close by. We'll be using Whole Blend Smoothing Conditioner, the coconut oil and cocoa butter formula. The OG, but of course, we'll be using our oh so precious Eco Styler gel. This is the black castor oil and flaxseed version. And straight out of Wakanda, our 100% natural African shea butter. You guys, I love this stuff for my hair, face, and body. So I also wanted to use my beloved Denman brush in this tutorial, but I'm realizing here that the Denman and the Annie are two different brands. That's okay though, because Annie is still good and actually a lot cheaper.
I feel better. I'm ready. And do this too.
So off camera, I'm doing it in sections, it's just easier for me, but off camera I added a little bit of leave-in conditioner.
And
I'm using a little
series.
regular conditioner. I just co-wash my hair, and then most times I just leave a little extra conditioner in there, but I just added a little bit of the conditioner I'll be using. It's a tad bit for a leave-in. Wet it to make it more manageable, and here I'm detangling with the brush. They say with these brushes it's best to, when you detangle, comb it vertically, and then when you go flat, like horizontally like this, is when you're smoothing it. Audie, let mommy do this, what I'm doing. Okay, a little bit. Said a little bit.
See it, that's it.
Say it again.
L.O.C.
So I like to finger twirl right in the front, especially so I can frame my face with those nice bouncy curls. Stop, that's enough. So I'm demonstrating here on this very first section how I apply my products and make a nice finger coiled curl. Next, using my brush on my ends, I form a ribbon-like curl as you would with a scissor and ribbon. No more. Go in there with Dada and go play. Go take your bath with Dada.
It's like hamburger. This like hamburger. It's like hamburger. Yeah, that's like me.
So most curly girls prefer either a cream-based styler or a gel, but I like to use a little bit of both usually. No more water, Audie. So here we're still finger coiling. No, you gotta take a bath first. I said no, leave that stuff alone. I'm about to pop you. You want pop?
Get this. Here we go. What's the color? Where's the color?
I said no more water. go play with Dada.
Because you're dirty. Yeah. Yeah. So this is one spray.
So in this area here, my curls are a lot tighter and naturally more defined, so I don't feel the need to coil or twist them. I simply let them be by just taking each curl and separating it and using my products to shingle or define them in small sections.
Wait. Keep the hair watered. Now my curls here are a little less popping, so I'll definitely want a finger coil here. I prefer to use this particular Garnier Whole Blends version because of the thickness and moisture. Using it like a leave-in will start to prep my hair, but the consistency will boost the curl. Our shea butter is the O of our L.O.C method to lock in our moisture. So I'm not quite sure if this is a heat damaged area or just naturally wavy here. But we'll use our handy dandy finger coiling method to form a nice curl. Using a brush to create your perfect curl is the truth. Let me tell you, use your Denman or your Annie brush to get those perfect bouncy ribbon-like curls. Now the finger coil I like to use to add to the twirliness or bounce of my curls. The 2-strand twist I use when the curl needs reviving altogether. Oh, if you move this thing, you're gonna get a spanking. Don't touch this thing. Mommy gotta do it. The letter L again stands for liquid or leave-in, your first step. Yet again, as our O or oil, we'll be using our shea butter to lock in moisture. Hey, it's not working right now. Mommy gotta fix it. Go in there with Dada and watch cartoons on that TV. So you guys pretty much see how I go throughout my head. I kind of go based off of the pattern, the curl pattern in that area, whether I do like the finger twirls or whether I do like the little twist or whether I just shingle the curls. I kind of do, it's like a boho look. I kind of do what I feel. So I'm going to just fast forward to the end and let you guys see what it looks like. I've learned that the icing on any style is to set your edges, sis. Slay 'em. Now this side is all set. I'll show you how the other side turned out. On this side, I just shingled for definition and I finished the back off camera. Now here you have my befores, drying stage, 1 and 2 days after, and updo style.